Hi there, Melody from WTI. I've heard of backpacks, but have you heard of rolling backpacks? Yes, there is such a thing. Let me show you all about this gorgeous one. This rolling backpack from Zuyang Xiangbao is made out of incredible quality. I'm very impressed with it, starting with the wheels. These rubber durable wheels are on the bottom panel. It's waterproof and has corner guards and a kick plate, so you know things are going to last. Check out how many pockets, how many zippers there are in there. I love this little anti-theft back pocket here to protect your belongings, including all your IDs, so no one's going to be able to thieve it. There are actually 10 zippers in this amazing backpack. There are so many different pockets, inside pockets, outside pockets, side pockets, back pockets. Even these mesh pockets on the side are very roomy. You can store a lot of things in there, including your water bottles or cups. Now, I did say this was a rolling backpack. So the little pocket here, unzip it up. You can pull your handle up and down as you've seen before. The back here, check out what's in this zipper. There you go. There's the padded shoulder pads. So they're not going to be dragging when you do use the wheels on this backpack. You just clip them in place and then it is a backpack. Sling it over your shoulder and you're ready to go anywhere. And of course, it stores so much. I was able to put all these clothes, including a couple sweaters, in a large and a small compression packing cube. But maybe you're interested in using it for school. Well, it fits a 17-inch computer and there's still so much more room. This backpack is made out of incredible material. There's so much room in here. It's so well made. I'm very impressed with it. So perfect in so many ways. You're going to love this backpack and be impressed with it like I was. But that's my point of view.